Hello students, this is Anjana Sharma from Angrezi Pathshala, and today we are going to learn a beautiful poem written by Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common and ordinary experiences, and in this poem he talks about making choices in life and the choices that shape our future. So it's very important for all of us to make correct choices. Any wrong decision or choice can spoil our future, so it's very important to make our choices wisely. So let's start the explanation here. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So yellow wood here suggests that it is the autumn season and the leaves are yellow on the trees. And undergrowth here suggests the unknown world. So the poet comes across the two diverged roads, and being one traveller, it was not possible for him to travel both the roads, and that is why long he stood here. He was in dilemma which road to go, which road to choose, and he stood here for a long time and he kept on thinking, and he looked the first one as far as he could, and later he discarded the idea of travelling the first road because it was totally unknown to the poet. Here it is written that where it bent in the undergrowth, so it led to an unknown world, and that is why it was not clear to the poet that where to go. It was unknown to the poet, and that is why he discarded the idea of travelling on the first road. Now in second stanza, the poet says, "Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, but it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same." So here in this stanza, the poet says that there were two roads diverged, and he decided to choose the second one. And why he decided so? Because it seemed better to the poet, because it was grassy and wanted wear. And why he decided to travel on the second road? Because it was grassy and wanted wear. What does it suggest? That it was less worn out or less traveled by the people. But soon after a moment he changes his mind, and what he concludes, let's see. Though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So just after a moment he changes his mind and he concludes that both the roads were equally worn out. Both the roads were equally travelled by the people. Now in third stanza, the poet says, "And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back." So what does it mean here? Equally lay means equally covered. Trodden black means turn the path black by crushing the leaves. And way leads on to way means one way leads to another. So what the poet says here, that morning when he was standing here, what he saw, what he observed, that both the roads were equally covered by the leaves. No one this morning had yet taken either path, and this symbolizes that the choices in life open to the poet both were unknown to him. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. So he decided to go with the previous choice, and he kept the first road for another day, yet knowing how way leads to way. Though he was knowing that one way leads to another, he won't get chance to come back and choose the first road or make the other choice. Now in last stanza the poet says that I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. So ages and ages hence means many years in the future, and sigh here means it could be a sigh of relief, or it could be a sigh of regret. So poet says here that he would be telling this in the coming future with a sigh of relief or with the sigh of regret to someone, that he came across two diverged roads and he chose the one which was less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. What it symbolizes? It symbolizes that he would be telling this to someone, that he was having two choices in his life and he chose the one which seemed better to him, and that has made all the difference in his life. So whether right or wrong, the choice will have had significant impact on his life. So students, that was all about the poem written by Robert Frost. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notification of all the uploaded videos.